Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various wrenches, and a ratchet set. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin working to avoid any burns. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully slide it off the alternator pulley. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connector and the main power wire. These are usually secured with a nut, so be gentle. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting points. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place. Once loose, you can carefully maneuver the old unit out. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting brackets. Make sure it aligns perfectly before you start tightening the bolts. Once aligned, secure all the mounting bolts firmly. Next, reconnect the main power wire, ensuring the nut is tight, and then plug in the electrical connector. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug and secure, preventing any future issues. For our final steps, let's reassemble and test. Carefully route the serpentine belt back on all the pulleys, using your tensioner tool to ensure it's seated correctly and has proper tension. Once the belt is on, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Now, start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery light should turn off, indicating the new alternator is charging the system correctly. Listen for any unusual noises and confirm everything is running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.